Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. In today's video, we are going to explore GOBUSTER. GOBUSTER is command line tool commonly used for dictionary and file brute forcing during web application assessment. It operates by launching HTTPS requests to a specific target and recursively searching for paths based on provided word list. GOBUSTER primary purpose is to uncover hidden or undiscovered directories, files, or endpoints within web servers directory structure. Let's download the tool. Open terminal and type sudo apt install GOBUSTER and hit enter. काय नेट दिवलं इथे. Our tool has been successfully installed. Then we can use help menu option for getting a better understanding of the tool using this command GOBUSTER -h for help and hit enter. This is all operation has been performed by GOBUSTER tool. -O for output, -P for pattern, -Q for quite, -T for traits, -V for verbose, and -W for always word list. Let's take an example. Type GOBUSTER DNS -D for DNS, your site name which you want to test demo. I take demoqa.com, -W for word list and user. Hit enter. Our tool has found one subdomain, bookstore.demoqa.com. So here 3 subdomains have been found. Now we can see this list of subdomain of target website. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.